what's up guys? In today's video we are you guys probably can't even tell what these are. They're plastics and you can tell they're filthy. We are repainting them. They're gonna be the same kind, but they're just gonna look a lot better, and we got some vinyl, so we're just gonna clean these up. Here they all are. They are done now, so we'll see you out in the garage. They are all clean. We're gonna get started here in a little bit. Oh yeah, and guys, we're gonna do a cleanup on it too while it's doesn't have plastics on it. If you guys ever wanted to see a dirt bike without plastics, here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're going to be cleaning it out off, and gonna get the pressure washer down, and we should be good to put the plastics on after we paint them. See you when we're painting them, because I have to wait for my dad to get that pressure washer. Okay, we're getting the red. Oh, we're getting the red and white. Stick on vinyl we did. Need to make it by hand. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the plastics on right now. You can let them cure on the bike, just because. So get the front fender on first.
finished up. We let it sit all night to see how the stickers would do. And so far, I'm seeing they're doing just fine. So the price of the stickers, the paint, vinyl, I'll just put up here. It's not completely accurate. It's just an overall just a round price. And no, these are not my actual sponsors. I just got them off Amazon. Pro taper. This fender. There. That Nike one doesn't really want to stick. Got there. Pro taper. Right front and center. I don't even know what that brand is, but it was perfect size for up here. And the helmet. That brand. Helmet brand. Honda. And I think, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of this bike transformation. Guess I'll just see you guys in the next one.